So for my second micro project, I decided to add contact information at the bottom of my first web page in case there are any questions on the website. To do so, I created my script a function in which contains my first, last number, and email, and is stored into different objects. And then I created variables called my main contact and my secondary contact, which contains different information of the object, and then is later called to print out. I did my main contact dot number, so it called my number my first variable, which is this, and then I also called my email in my second variable, which is my secondary contact, and it printed out my email. For my second page, I just decided to do Java objects on my buttons, and then so every time you click on a button, it would change the text. To do so, I created a button on click function, which stores the text of each button into the name object, and then it's later called when the button is clicked. So then the text of that's stored into the name object is printed. And then for my third page, I decided to do the same thing for my second page for the searching of albums and songs. And to do that, I did the same thing where I stored the song names into the button on click functions, which is stored into the name object. So then later on, whenever they click the certain album name, it prints out whatever songs are stored into the name object. I also decided to do a search function in which if they search a name, it would go through an if-else statement, and it would print out whatever answer contains the name of the song. And to do that, you search this, it prints out the name of the song